Okay, now today, what I taught one subject first. Okay, it's called patient. In martial art person, number one thing got to learn your patient. Patient involves too many areas. Not only say, you hit me, I just be patient. Hold it, don't do nothing. No, I don't mean that. Patience, mentally patient and physical patient, two have to work together. Like, for example, if a martial art person don't have patience, they always get in trouble. Okay, because they don't step back to see the whole big pictures. They get so excited, go right away.
So could you go over the mental and the physical patience, what those are?
Patient, okay. Now, patient mentally, you have to control your ego. It's dedication, called patient. If you're learning anything, no matter what, like Wing Chun, any kind of martial art, you have dedication that will involve patience. If you don't have patience, you have no dedication. Because you understand what I try to say? Dedication is patient. Okay? Saving the person is patient. Having merciful heart is a patient. And in other words, physically, the patient control three things. Control your speech. Let me hold your tongue all the time, called patient. You want to say something, don't say it yet. Okay, hold your tongue. Okay, that's called patient. Okay, it's something you see, get you so excited. No, hold your vision. Hold it, think about it first. That's called patient. Okay, martial art person is number one thing you learn patience. Respect is based on the patient too. Last time I talked about respect is based on patience. If you have no patience, you cannot respect nobody, because you cannot even respect yourself. Patience is everything, actually. That's why in martial art field, especially in Wing Chun I teach, patience is number one. That involve everything. Involve your respect, involve your loyalty, involve your honesty, involve your righteousness to people, involve your kindness to people. All those based on patience. If I confer with you, in front of me, I look at you so hesitate me, getting so angry, I want to punch you. If I have no patience, I go in to punch you right there. That's called no patience. I let my temper control me. I let my ego control me. That's called no patience. Okay? Then if someone is in front of me, yelling around, calling my name, whatever, I have patience, I will hold back. Then I will think, if I'm him yelling at me, what do I feel? If I punch him, how he feel? If I'm him, then you will feel that, you won't do nothing. That's called patience. If you hold your patience a little bit longer, you can see the big pictures. Last time I'm talking about Siu-Nim-Tau, okay? When you do Siu-Nim-Tau, the first part, what is the meaning of the first part? We are developed is not develop you how to fight, not technique. We are not talking about technique. We are talking how to develop your structure. The structure to develop your protection shield, to protect yourself. That's the first part to learn. All right? And also the whole system in Siu-Nim-Tau, develop your motion, how to move based on tensegrity structure, the function, and how the motion move together, and how the power exceeds the motion, help the motion. It's called supernova force. Those you have to understand, because you look deeper in the Siu-Nim-Tau form, every development for those purposes is in there. But if you don't look deeper, you just look at the form, just a motion. The basic triangle shield, okay? Now, how I make the triangle perfectly relaxed and the supporting strong structure, okay, is based on the elbow. elbow position have outside elbow, inside elbow. The elbow to the target point, the one straight line. My straight line is not too good. Okay, that is straight line. That's elbow. Elbow in between here. Okay. Since there's a line V shape, when I hand like this, it'll be natural. My elbow is outside my body. Right? From that position here, I go to target here. Okay. I go like this. I go in straight. When I come like this, it's inside already, inside my body. I cannot go keep outside like this. That go outside all the time. That means I'm not straight line anymore. For me, straight line from outside, I go straight, go inside. That is straight line still. That's what you develop the hand structure. Straight line to the target. Okay, almost straight. That's why from outside to inside. When you keep outside, they going out again. They go straight. Why? Because the elbow position change. I cannot go turn in. I cannot keep turning in. Then it's not straight line anymore. I think naturally, outside, I turn the elbow out, turn out. I go inside, get the elbow go inside, turn, and go outside again. That means dueling. That's a natural elbow position. That's what the Fong teach you how to move that. So I don't open the palm right here and then go out. That is not the right direction going. Because right here I'm tightening. I'm using muscle to pull. I'm not in a natural position. For me, I open like that. This natural position, then I start to move. Because if you are not starting on the new natural position, relaxed position, you are tightening. When you're tightening, you lose your wind-up motion. Now when I start to move, go inside, all the way like that, 100%, right? Come circular. From 100%, I snap out, it's not 100% anymore. It's 99% on the middle, in the center, the middle. I start to move from that point on. I start to move back all the way to 99% of the outside. By the time I turn, now I go to 100%. See how I drop the elbow pull, let drop back. Why I'm not pulling back? Don't pull back. Naturally, I drop. Why I drop? Because this bone turn. My elbow is towards in the inside line now. But outside line, middle line. The moment I change the line, it make my elbow position change. They call it integrity. About the elbow, okay? Make sure outside elbow call 100%, inside elbow call 100%. The moving, changing position is 99% of the moving area. See it? See, understand that? If I stop outside, I start outside, then outside 100%. I move 99, 90, then all the way to 99 the other side. Okay, that is not totally 100% inside position yet. Okay, then this one, the first one, I go all the way. Okay, the second one, from 100% inside, I snap it out. Since I'm turning my elbow, it's not 100% in the middle, in the center, and in the outside. It's in the middle already. 99% in the middle. Now I start from move all the way to 99% of the outside. Now I drop, now 100% now. Then I start to move back to 99% of the middle, not 100% on the inside. Now I twist, now 100% inside. If you do feel this, if you tie it like this, now what you tie? You know, this forearms tightening because you put too much tension on the fingers. Okay, that means look like I can do like that, look like I'm okay, but you only look at my motion. But you look beyond my motion, you see my muscle tight. Remember, I tell you a couple of things today. The elbow position, inside, outside, and middle. Each elbow position have 3 elbow line. What do you mean by line? Line is from the elbow to the target. That's called line. I have inside line, middle line, outside line. From the elbow to the target. That's the 3 elbow line in each elbow position. All right? Understand that? And the third thing I tell you is touch without touching. All these 3 things is very important. Because touch without touching, okay, you will have a natural position. The natural position is considered as a twist and lock function. My elbow relaxed enough. I just put my hand so relaxed that I have twist and lock function right there. The twist and lock. That means my hand is linked to my body already, automatically. Okay, you don't have to focus too much. Just naturally you link. Okay, if the cutting edge, when you try to make my hand move, I just go with you, cutting edge. I can secure my position. Okay, that cutting edge inside outside. That from here develop from here, inside outside, inside outside. That means I can change my line based on that wrist circle. That consider development of cutting edge. Turn in, turn out, turn in, turn out. Okay, that is right there. The function is developed. Cutting edge function. Okay, and then roll and lock function is to help you to secure your position. Okay, when I tell you how to do it next time the time go up. But the roll and lock is when the fall come in, I so relax. When the fall come in, touch me, boom, I be able to lock it. I secure my structure. That's called roll and lock function. That means three functions have to work together to make it work. Number one, twist and lock position. That is called natural position. Okay, you have to be in natural way to do it. Cutting edge is a wrist circle. Wrist circle to turn your forearm direction. Okay, and roll and lock is to secure your structure. When the fall comes in, you'll be able to hold the fall. That moment, you lock it. That is become the foundation of that is called a wall function. I'll tell you later, next time. Wall function is all developed in Siu-Nim-Tau first part. If you understand that. Like for example, my hands relax enough. That hand can link to the body. I move my hand, my body can move. Okay. If the hand like this, I move my hand, my body won't help the hand. Because I have no twist and lock right there. Okay. If you naturally hold the position, whatever you move, your body help. That means you have the twist and lock position right there. That's why all based on natural development. Remember, when you do the form, when you do sticky hand, whatever, pay attention on the natural development, natural tension. That's what you have to look for, natural tension. But natural tension is not totally relaxed tension. The relaxed tension up to the point in that position that hold the 0 point. My hand can be like this. What I'm doing is natural tension. But I have more tension than I'm holding here. That is natural tension. But I'm using 0 pound tension here. I'm using 5 pound tension here. I'm using 10 pound tension here. Different position have different tension. You got to find it out. That's why in the future when you do sticky hand, by myself, I have tension right here, do sticky hand, right? I have my own tension, hold that position. If the incoming force touch me, I have to balance his incoming force. There may be 100 pound come in, I have 10 already, I have the 110 to equalize to him. Okay, that called equalization. Okay, by the time we do talk about sticky hand, we go deeper on that subject. Any question, no? Okay, next time we keep going.